Happy autumn from New York Loves Fall, and this is a double favorite time of the year to be in Central Park, as well as my favorite part of Central Park, Wagner Cove. Probably the most romantic location in all of the park as well, and it's right alongside of the lake. Today is also Halloween. Look who's waiting for us. We've got the faces of jack-o'-lanterns. And at Wagner Cove, there's this beautiful little area for sitting. Not a lot of room, not a lot of people come here because it is so tiny. But when you have that nice quiet moment, you can understand why it's my favorite part of Central Park. Let's take a look at some of the pumpkins that are here. This is week number 7 of autumn foliage. New York tends to have about 9 to 10 weeks of autumn colors. And this would be, again, October 31st. I tell people, rule of thumb, best autumn foliage for New York City would be for the New York City Marathon, which is the weekend right after Halloween. And you can see the fences are already going up. What an iconic look. That is the San Remo with some New York autumn colors. All right, I'm gonna enjoy some autumn at Wagner Cove. Till next time, keep exploring and enjoy.